Hello, 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 everybody. So here's the back office, and I hope you guys are looking at these videos here. This talks about the academy, everything that you get with it. Man, this is a training on the indicator and the bot. Then we got everything about crypto. And then we have learning how to use the broker. I just put this video up yesterday. This is how to take a trade if you need help on taking trades. And then we have just understanding the financial markets, the basics, what I'm talking about, the some of the different trades like the US30 or the NAS 100. And we're going to be putting more videos in here. Right now, there's probably over 200, 300 hours in here because some of these videos are an hour long. Solana and Cardano. And so that's the back office. This is the video part. There's other parts to it. All right, let's look at the markets. What do we got going on here? Forex Factory, that's where we always get our news from. What's today? It's the 12th. Always make sure. Look at JPY is really strong. Wow. He was getting beat up earlier this week and now it's doing a comeback. So today we had the month PPI. And then every Thursday we have the unemployment claims for the week. And then on the first week of the month on Friday, we have the unemployment for the month. That's the biggest movement maker of the month. But these are also these core PPIs are going to do some damage too. What we see is they predicted to be one less than it was. They predicted this to be one less than it was two plus. And then there's more people. They predicted less people to be unemployed this week. There was more. So it's a lot going on. Let's look at some of this. So the PPI, we already knew that. Finished goods and services change in the price sold by producers. It's actual greater than forecast. U.S. producer price index. This is for November. So this is the same that we looked at yesterday. Let's look at this is the one that kind of changed a lot. The PPI again. I guess this article just came out 32 minutes ago. See what we got here. So the index for final demand, less foods, energy, and trade services inched up 0.1% in November after rising 0.3% in October. So this is the U.S. Bureau. Let's see. U.S. wholesale inflation surged higher in November. Producer price index rose 0.4. So even October, it says that October they had the wrong numbers and they had to refresh those numbers. So PPI is at the highest annual rate since February 23. Unfavorable. So they were already expected to be higher, partly due to unfavorable comparisons to this time last year when inflation slowed sharply. However, food prices surged last month by 3%, driving the overall index higher. The index for chicken, eggs, which soared 54% from October, was the biggest culprit, accounting for a quarter of the overall monthly jump. Wow. So the biggest thing that went up was the price of eggs. Well, so let's see what happened here. Let's go to the gold first. Let's see if gold did anything. Gold went down $19 in the last 6 hours. Wow. That's big news. Here goes the unemployment insurance weekly claims. It's a lot of people. 242,000 people this week went on unemployment. Wow, right. I was just at my friend's house yesterday. She got a lot of silver. Silver went down a little bit, not big deal. Gold's been really all over the place. So energy, let's look at oil. No big movements in the last 6 hours. And let's look at crypto. Crypto was going up really fast yesterday. I think Ethereum went up like $200. We got Bitcoin looking like it's sticking around 100,000 now. It's $101,000. Went up $400 today so far in the last 6 hours. Let's see here. This Ethereum. On the 10th, it was down at 3,500. Now it's basically went up 500. That's a big change. Let's see here. Let's look at Ethereum. ADI has been skyrocketing. This is Cardano. This is what I really believed in. Since November 6th, it was 33 cents. And now it's at 113. Look at all these buy indicators we got going on with the bot on the days. Solana is another one of my favorites. Shiba Inu keeps on going up a little bit higher every day. Let's look here. XRP is going up. It's trying to get back where it was. Let's see. I really love Tron. Look at Tron went up one day so fast. It was 22 cents in one day and then it went up. to 45 cents in one day, and then it started coming back down. XLM doing pretty good. Where is Ethereum at? Thought I added Ethereum. Let's add Ethereum. All right, here's Ethereum. I like Ethereum more than Bitcoin. So once again, it's like the freeway of technology. And so as you see, Ethereum's still going up. This is when Trump got elected, it went up, still went up, went up. Looks like it's going back up now. We just took the bot day trades, could have made a lot of money. It's going back to $4,000. And it looks like the way it's going in an uptrend, if you guys look, this is what I'm looking at. And you guys want to program your mind to be able to see stuff like this, but you should be able to see like this little line of it keep on going up, up, up and away. And so it looks really, really good for Ethereum. It's up 3% today. It just keeps on going up. Now, this is a time where, mostly crypto's going down, but because we're in like a war, it looks like crypto is going up. What's surprising is gold going down. Like, why is gold going down? I guess because it popped up so fast. Here it is right here. It popped up, hit the Bollinger Band, and then it went down $33 today. Last 6 hours. It's down $24 for the whole 24 hours, but you just see this red coming down. Woo. It's a little dangerous to trade that. All right, let's go to the 15 minutes. And as we see, it's way underneath the Bollinger Band. Let's look at US30. US30 is in the deadly middle zone. But what we see with US30 is just bouncing up and down right in this area right here. So right now we like buys. Let's see how much time do we have? We have about 15 more minutes. This was when the report came out. Look what happened. It went up really high, went back down. Now you're at this spot where it wants to rise. So we want to buy right here. Say buy right here. 408.3. All right, buy that. Let's see what happens. We're buying this before the market even starts. Let's see what else we could get in here. Ooh, the Nas is going straight down. Amazon's a good stock. Went up $5 yesterday. We got two buy signals right here from the bottom, and it went up another dollar. Tesla's just been moving up. Like Tesla to go up. Look how high Walmart's going to stop. Walmart's going to start $1.50 higher than what it stopped yesterday at. JPY is really strong right now. I wonder why. Let's see here. JPY versus the pound. I like this trade right here. Where did it go? Here it is. JPY versus the pound is a really good trade right now. All right. Did anybody buy the US30? I know we switched the pages. It went way up high. I kind of bought US30. It went up 300 pips. You got out? Yeah, so Lacana got in and got out. Would be a good time to get back in. Right about this level right here. Yeah, that's a good buy again because it went back down. Let's see here. You got in again? Let me look at GBP. I like this sell right here, going down. So the US30, we have some action before even the bell goes off. That's always a great thing. Not really moving that much yet. So we like US30. We also like GBP JPY going down. Man, here it is for the US30. Did you get out? All right, right there. Get out. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. It's 300 pips. So I kind of already got in 2 times. 300 pips 2 times. We're not even on the opening bell. Dang. GBP, we like this going down. JPY is so strong right now. This isn't even one of the normal ones that we trade, but we see that it's going down. Yeah, GBP, JPY. We see this going down. And look at gold. We can't really even do anything with gold. It's outside the Bollinger Band and it's moving down fast. If I was a momentum trader, I would say take it down. But what happens sometimes when you take a momentum trade down is it pops back up because it's outside the Bollinger Band so far. So we're going to leave gold alone right now. And remember, gold and ADU USD do the same thing. So you see it going down here too. The bot caught it right here. Really good trade. Let's see the NAS. Let's look at the heat map. See what's going on here. Wow, look at this. Is this refreshed? United Health, man. I wonder what I'm gonna read into United Health because it's weird how the guy comes out of nowhere, kills this guy, and they still don't have no tie to it. They said he had back injuries, but his family had money. He got the surgery he needed, so I don't understand why. But this is weird because it's been going down for a while, 5% at a time. But everything else looks really strong. McDonald's is going down a little bit, but man, Nvidia, Amazon, and Microsoft, it looks like US30 should be skyrocketing. So hopefully you have US30. Let's see. Let's go back to US30 and see what's going on here. Hopefully you caught it down here again. Let's see, how much time do we have? We have 5 minutes. Hopefully it comes back down. We can get one more trade going up. I wouldn't buy it right now. You want to wait for it to go down more. Here it is. You guys get ready. And this is a good area to buy right here. I'm more conservative. I'm gonna buy here at this bottom green line. It might not even get down here, but I'm gonna wait. And here it is. It is coming. Yeah. All right. In it to win it. It's going back up like we thought. We're looking good in both our trades we're in. Look at this right here, how this collapsed and fell down. We had GBP, JPY. We're winning on that. We're winning on this. GBP? Oh, GBP should be up money right now. You can close that trade if you want to. With Forex, you got to make sure you put the right lot size in. You want to put a little bit more lot size in that. Did you do it?
Yeah.
All right. I just got out right here. I'm done. US30. That's 3 trades already. We won for US30. Before we're not even didn't even open bell yet. And we already got 3 wins on that. It's beautiful. GBP JPY. You see, we got it right here. It went all the way down. It's kind of coming back up. I'm gonna stay in that for longer because I didn't have that many lot size in it. Wow. This is pretty cool. We had 3 trades before the opening bell. That's unheard of. If it goes back down. Now, when opening bell happens, this might just shoot way up out of here, or it might come down really quick. If it goes down really quick, we want to take it up again. Because we see this map right here in V3 times. Amazon. This Apple right here at 0.5, that's not that bad. It's not that bad. So we don't have to even worry about that. Let's look at Apple and see. See, the pre-sale is higher than what it stopped right here yesterday, and the pre where it's gonna open is right here, this orange. So it's gonna open up about 50 cents higher than it closed yesterday. So that's gonna push Apple on this map to look good. Did I even?
It shot up.
Yeah, see, there it is right there. It shot up. It's not even opening bell yet. It just shot up. So were you in it? Oh. There it is.
So it's gonna continue those 4.
No, it might shoot down because look, it's 30. Watch this. Look, opening bell's about to happen. Okay, opening bell just happened. And this is what we wanted. Look, we had this right, you guys. It went up 800 pips, you guys. Look at this. Beautiful, you guys. Another day in the sunshine. The glory to God that He showed us how to trade and that we could win money 3 times before. And then the opening bell, we had it right again. It was going up. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's look at Apple. And Apple is a good buy right now. Apple's down. It's starting the pre-market went down. Apple looks good to buy. Let's see. Tesla, we said it was going to go up. Tesla went up. GBP, this is where we want to sell it. That's at a good spot right there for you guys. Ooh wee. This is beautiful. Do we want to take the Dow Jones down? Don't take Dow Jones down. Only wait for it to come back down and then take it up again. We're only a one-way trader, so we don't want to take this down. Be careful. If you take this down, you might get stuck because it might continue to boost up. Here it is. It's coming down for you, but don't take it down. Don't worry about that money right there. Just be careful. Here it comes. Yeah, it shot up. Oh, 900 pips. But it's good because we already had like 900 pips from it doing 3 times before the market opened. And then we knew it was going up when the market opened. So this is looking really great for us. They might see this might turn in this resistance that I put here. This might turn into the launching pad. This might be the new support. It might hit this and then jump up from here. So this is actually like a good trade to buy right here. But I'm very conservative, so I'm not going to do that. I'll take something like in the middle here. I really want it to come back down to at least this green line for me to take it back up, but because I already won for today. I already made more than I even thought I was going to do on the opening bill. So let's see. Here it comes. Beautiful. And then we're able to take it back up. Let's look at Apple and see what's going on with Apple. We got a sell from the bot. It went way up here, and the bot told us to sell. Look at that. We could have won on Apple. I still like Apple to go up for like the day, but the bot, we could have just took the bot trade and won some money right there. Amazon is really consolidated. You see this not really doing what it was doing. Like yesterday, it did all this, but today it's just staying around the same area. Tesla shot up. I was at Walmart yesterday. Walmart started really high and fell down. It was trying to get back to where it was, 50% of where it was yesterday. I like Amazon. This is like a good place for to take Amazon going up right here. Let's see. We got a good sell right here. USD JPY for a sale. That's beautiful. Because look what happened last time it gave us a sale. You got all this money right here. GBP, you could have had this twice. I got it once right here. It went down. And now you're at right here again. You can get it to go down. GBP, JPY. That was our good trade. And this is what I was saying. It was going to hit this red line and probably shoot up from there. I'm too conservative to take that trade, but you could make some money right there. That's one of the money zones, but I want the trade to come down further. I would love it to hit this green line one more time or come in between. That's where I would pull the trigger at. What a nice trade. Wow. Did you get in again?
Yeah,
You're in US30? A buy?
yeah.
Where did you get in at? At the red line?
Mhm.
Girl. Yeah. Oh man. They call that Twitter fingers. I was trying to put a trade in when it went down and touched that green line. I missed it. Man. But I hope you guys got it.
Thing is doing this.
You would have had some money right there. That's what I was telling you. Don't get in. Like I'm too conservative for the red line, but right here by the green line.
Not deep. Deep just dropped negative 2.0.
Yeah,
That's why it was doing that big drop.
I'm out of that.
You see them out.
What the heck? Oh man. It just went from 3 times up to 2. Yeah, get out.
Oh, I got my money
Get
out.
out of that thing.
But
Oh
it's going
man,
back
I
up.
missed
It's
it.
weird.
I missed it. That sucked.
It's going back up though.
I know, but
It's
just be
delayed on the heat map, I think, a little bit.
well, open up like that. Why can't I get Indeed right here? This time.
Oh no, the V was went down another like 28%. 0.28%.
Let's see what Navi did. Okay, so Navi basically was going up yesterday. It started way below market. We could have seen that and seen that it was gonna go. So now we'll start looking at this because this is really making this really like transferred the US30. But now it's right here. It's outside the Bollinger Band. It definitely wants to work back up. But it just totally it started $3 down.
Yeah, woo, it just shot up.
Yeah. Man, my fingers were moving so slow. I don't know why I didn't get that right there, but I hope you guys got that. We called it out. We said get it around this green liner in the middle of here, and look what happened, you guys. It's like 5, 6 good trades that you guys should have got today for sure.
Yo,
That was beautiful.
now Zoom.
Oh, look, United Healthcare is not 5% anymore. This is gonna really take off because not all the stuff that was down is not even down anymore. The only thing that's down is this Navid because it started down. No, that's 0.07%. That's nothing.
5 points.
Yeah, that's nothing. That's not down 1% or nothing. Yeah. Let's see Apple. Let's see if Apple's gonna go up. Boy, that US30. A lot of people say, well, take it down. Don't take it down because this thing might shoot out of the
Right back
roof.
up.
Yeah, all you want to do is be on the winning side of this going up. See, we called it going up right here, and look how many times it been up since that.
Yeah.
So we called it. This is a great, great call. And if you just, listen, then you're doing good. Look at this. The bot called Apple going down. We could have made some money. I didn't even call Apple going down, but this is a good place to buy Apple going up. I like Apple going up. Tesla went up real fast, came back down. Yeah, be careful. Be careful. Here goes Navid, though. You see Navid starting to go back up. It was way out the Bollinger Band. But everything, like, look, the top. Okay, let's go look again. Look at this. All right, we got Apple going down, red. We got Amazon a little bit red. We got Tesla that started right here, went all the way up, and then now it's coming back down. We got Navid going up. This was a good pick. If you could have got this Navid when it went down here, way outside the Bollinger Band, that was a good one to go back up. Walmart's going down. Walmart started right here and started working its way back down to where it was. There goes Euro JPY. JPY is starting to get weak. Let's look at and see how weak Euro JPY is right here on the strength indicator. Let's see if it lost. It just lost a bar. Let's see what it did right here. It lost a bar here also, but GBP is so weak. That's still a good trade. GBP versus JPY. That's a good trade. It's right here where the bot told us to sell. So it went down. Did you get in a GBP trade or not? And you already got out? Yeah, so you won on that. Good, good, good. US30, man, it's shooting like a rocket. If it goes back down one more time, we can get it going up one more time, and then we're out of here. But everything is going down, though. Let's see. Yeah, everything's going down. I don't even know if that's even, let's see. Let's look at the last, this is for the day, but let's look at the last hour. Yeah, this is like,
Yeah, Amazon almost.
this might be just a, it might just be a wrap. We traded for 11 minutes, but we traded before the thing started. Let's see, Naveed. Oh, everybody's saying to sell Naveed. Let's see, Walmart. Buy Walmart. Buy Tesla. Amazon has a strong buy. Apple has a strong buy. Man, it looks like this is good. The only thing that's saying to sell is Naveed. Looks like on the long term, look at Walmart. Wow. This thing is skyrocketed. All right, I just took a sale on US30. Don't do what I just did, you guys. That's like one of them wrestling commercials where they tell you don't jump off the roof. But it's super high up here, and I just took like an advanced trade. Don't do what I did though. Just stay where you're at. Don't jump off the roof and do the WWE elbow to somebody on a table outside of your roof. It's okay. I know, but don't do what I did. Please don't do what I did. I shouldn't even told you I did it. I shouldn't even have told you I did it. Okay, I'm done. Got out with some more profit on that. They always say, don't do what I just did. Yeah, that was more of an advanced trade, you guys. You could have got stuck in there. So I told you I did it, but I didn't want you to do it. So that's what I was telling you guys. Don't get stuck in that fiasco. But it did do what we thought it was gonna do, so it's all good. Look at this. Apple's going down. Amazon, Tesla. Wow, look at Tesla. It's really going down. Sheesh. Everything's going down, but this is going up. You make that make sense. tell me, tell me how that works. Where's the heat map at? I need to go back to the heat. Let me see the heat map here. It's a 500. Let's see, the 380. Microsoft is heating up. It's trying to get back in this Bollinger Band. Bad. It's moving pretty fast. But it's a 15-minute candle. Well, we shot our first WWE commercial. Don't jump off the roof. Do a backflip on somebody. My mom used to say, stop jumping on the bed. God was good. We did really, really good today. Let's look at this right here. We had a good sell right here in the beginning. We took US30 up a couple times, 3-4 times. It was super high. Let's see, did gold do anything? Yeah, gold was outside the Bollinger Band, tried to work his way in, but there was no money to be made on gold today. Bitcoin was really volatile. We could have made some money there. The 500 companies going down, down, down. Apple, Amazon, Tesla. Does anybody have anything to say? Unmute yourself if you do. Everything's coming down. Yo, we might need to take some time this weekend. This is our last day trading live, but we need to take some time when you have some time to show you like how to push the button. We can go online together. But this is good for you to look this week, but next week you want to be pushing a couple buttons, maybe in a demo account. Man, Ricky's ready. Ricky's been studying. He's like Rocky, man. Ricky's been running up the stairs, getting ready. Yeah. This is the part now. Next week is the part where those kids start following you running up the stairs. First, you were running up by yourself, but when you start pushing the buttons, it's like those little kids start following you. Right? Ready, bro.
Hey, I got a quick question.
Sure.
You, um, you said that America's at war. Did I hear that correctly?
Yeah, America's at war, yeah.
With who?
With Syria.
Why is has? Wow. All right.
So we started bombing them. Because what happened with Syria, there was a kingdom, basically, Assad kingdom, and his dad took over. They've been in power for 50 years. And over the weekend, ISIS took over Syria. Because what happened was Israel was bombing Syria, parts of it, and they put a buffer zone up. And then ISIS came in there and took over those buffer zones. And then the king or whatever left on a plane to Russia on the weekend and they claimed it. And then now United States is bombing different little ISIS territories right now. They're saying it's ISIS. The people don't call themselves ISIS. They just call themselves Revolutionary People of Syria. But see, look, what to know about the country still fighting in Syria after Assad's ouster. It's pretty big, man.
I had no idea that that was going on. I've never seen, and I
Yeah,
watched the news
look,
every day. Nobody said anything.
nobody's gonna say anything. This stuff you got to read about. This ain't entertaining. This stuff that depresses people. U.S. going to war, but Israel, Turkey, and the United States are carrying out airstrikes. Look what this looks like. This place is so beautiful. Syria is so beautiful. Look at it now. People are running around. They don't have food and stuff. Sad.
Yeah, that's sad.
Israel. This is you can read this article right here. Talks about this military zones and stuff. Pretty wild. Yeah, this is stuff that really costs money. Like we're sending money to Ukraine, but they're fighting their own battle. But when you take our planes out there, our planes cost money, man. But yeah, you just go to what I do is I go to Google News because it has like all different kind of news. Like it has the Israel news, American, European news. You know, sometimes it even has like the Middle East type news. And yeah, so go to like Syria bombing on the news, and then it will talk about it. Israel striked way more times than us. Let's see if we can refresh it and see if there's anything new. 2 days ago, 3 days ago. See, it's like these things came 2 days ago, 3 days ago. It's like this isn't a high priority, like by the hour type of news, right? But see, whenever something weird happens in the news cycle, like if you look at the number one thing on the news, right, it's Puff Daddy and it's this right here. United Healthcare CEO killing. They've been talking about this kid, like looking for him for a week, and then you start that war. So it's like some of these things, I don't know if you ever heard of conspiracy theories, but sometimes they say something will pop up to block what's really going on. Because if this wasn't a big news cycle right here, this kid that killed the person, this is like if you read this story, it don't even make sense. It's like this kid's granddad was like a billionaire, and all the grandkids and grandparents are living off of this money. They got all kind of money, and you got to read his story. It's the weirdest thing. But he just killed this guy, and he's talking about like he loves the Unabomber. He read his story or something. And then today, if you read what happened today, right? They want that to be, look what he just did. Biden commutes 1,500. This is the biggest pardons in one day. And then so now people are gonna do what? People hate Biden. They're gonna go look, who are the 1,500 people and 39 pardons? So this takes your time away from what's really going on in the world.
Right.
Because the big news in the world is that United States is bombing people with airplanes. And then you look like if you understood like how much let's see, like I want to know how much airplanes or jets. Look, they're saying a low-cost bomb. This was in July 27th. How come there's no news about how much bombs cost just on the news? Because if you found out how much these bombs cost, man, look at this right here. One Air Force B-2 bomber cost how much? $2 billion.
$2 billion.
So
Wow.
people are saying, well, why are we sending $1 billion to Ukraine over some time? But a one bomb in one plane is worth $2 billion. Now you find out how much these like they're gonna say a low cost bomb. See, they're not talking about the high price bombs, but this is stuff you got to learn in history when I was going to school. But like this bomb right here, right? They're saying it's a low cost bomb, and let's try to see how much a low cost bomb costs. It features 40 surface ships. This is where it's at, and all these. This is how many bombs they made of this low cost bomb. And they're not even gonna tell you. All they're gonna say is it's low cost. What does low cost bomb mean? Like this bomb right here, how much does that cost you? It's a low cost one. So what's a low cost bomb? I'm telling you, there's some bombs that are worth like 20, 30 million dollars, like the regular ones. There's bombs that cost $100 million, one bomb, bro. And they got them on ships, they got them. So yeah, people knew how much. That's why they say that like a toilet costs $5 million to install.
Wow.
But they say that Musk is going to be in control of that to where, you know, he'll be able to say, look at this. This is the bombs right here, right? Boeing wins $7.5 billion contract from U.S. Air Force for guided bombs. This is the start of the contract, $7.5 billion for that. So how many bombs are they going to make? That's their start. 2,000-pound bombs. It's like, man, it's crazy, bro. But yeah,
Yeah.
you could do research on that and you'll say, man, this is wild. You probably have to go out the news cycle and then look. But they already dropped like 200 and something bombs. And they have to use, so if you bomb like territories where humans are living, you got to basically use these guided bombs, right? These are the regular bombs, $40,000 a piece for these regular bombs, right? The guided bombs, look, 242 they start out per bomb, right? Air launch cruise missile, look, one cruise missile, $3.816 million per missile. These are the ones that come off of the aircraft carriers and stuff. Yeah. Look at this. The B-52 bomb, $42 million. The Sprint bomber, $2.6 billion. These are 16 gravity bombs. Wow. Here goes the look at the Peacekeeper missile bomb, though. $238 million. Stop playing, man. This stuff. So that's why we can't feed everybody and all the stuff that we have problems with. It's like, but we need some of this stuff, but some of this stuff is just like overwhelming. And sometimes you got so many missiles built up, like we needed to go bomb something because we haven't bombed people in a while. So it's like we needed to get, that's what they did in like Afghanistan. They used like our old bombs that were like outdated bunker bombs that blew up sides of mountains and stuff. So if not, they would just keep them in storage and then they become like, you know, not a good thing. That's why Russia was using tanks and stuff in this war they're doing with Ukraine. They're using tanks and everybody's defeating tanks because tanks are like so outdated. You can't bring tanks into a war anymore because you know you got little
Them drones.
yeah, you got drones that could blow up a tank now. So you got this big old tank worth all this money and a drone could blow it up, a little bitty drone. So it's like that's
Right.
why Russia put all their stuff out there, their old weapons and stuff.
Yeah,
Because
it's
if
kind
not, it's just what are they gonna do? Burn it or you know they
it,
can't use the
it's
stuff.
it's kind of funny. It's
Yeah,
kind of fun. It's
yeah.
terrible. Okay.
That's how the world works. Look. Remember, I told you don't do what I did. Jump off the WWE roof. Yeah,
Right.
but we won on that, so that's a good thing. Look how it went all the way down here. Look how did you get back in at the red to go up?
Go right down. I
Yeah,
was thinking from those down trades.
girl,
Like
those
I
are.
was talking.
Oh my gosh, she was taking down trades. I said, don't take that trade that I took.
Got the money.
She won though. All right, you guys, Ricky, let's get on in a little bit, man. A couple hours, all right?
All right.
All right, you guys. God bless. Have a great day. What an amazing, phenomenal more wins that we got under our belt because the glory of God. In
Amen.
Jesus' name. All right, you guys. Bye.